We're with Michael Leiters at the Ferrari stand. Thank you, sir, for talking to us. It's an absolute pleasure. Brand new car in front of us, brilliant engine, 3 times in a row engine of the year. Let's talk about the car first and let's move on then to some future technologies. So, the last V8, twin turbocharged V8, can we say that? The last one for Swan Song?
No, this won't be the last one. This is a tribute to the engine, as you mentioned, or the V8 engine. We have won 3 times in a row engine of the year, but this is not a decision to stop this engine. It's true we are working on different engine families. We are also working on a V6 family, but we won't stop on V8.
Right. So. With future regulations coming in with emissions norms really throttling down, is it taking away the soul of a car, and particularly soul in terms of a car like Ferrari, which is all about sound, all about the experience? Is that going to be more difficult moving forward?
Definitely it will be more difficult, but we are quite confident that with the technologies we have, we can find the right answer to this. Definitely downsizing will be more important in the future. That's also the reason why we decided to develop also an V6 engine. Turbocharging systems, new turbocharging systems will be important. We are working also on hybridization of the powertrain. So definitely it will be more difficult. You have to put more technologies on the car, but we are confident that we can resolve that without losing any emotionality of the Ferrari cars.
Right. Now, when you talk about Ferrari's emotional quotient, I spoke about sound. That's a very, very important part. Of course, you can make fake sound, but that's not exactly what Ferrari does. What is that going to be like as a challenge moving forward?
You know, already on this car, you have a particle filter on it, a gasoline particle filter to fulfill the regulations, especially in Europe right now and in China. And this additional filter also could cost us some sound. But at the end, we found a new solution, technical solution to amplify actually, but on a mechanical, natural way, the sound. And this sound is even better than the sound of the 488, which haven't had this filter. So you see, you have to invent new stuff. It will cost you more. It costs you more effort, but we are confident to find it.
Now, in the press conference yesterday, you mentioned that there are 4 more cars coming in 2019. A total of 5. This is the first one. And the hybrid will be the next one, next 2 or 3 months. Can you tell us a bit more about the hybrid platform? Will it be an improvement over a current model? Will it be something completely different?
No. This will be a new car. We don't want to disclose already too much, but this will be a new car and with a new hybrid powertrain. It's the first time for us that we will have this.
Right. Any more information on that hybrid powertrain at all that you can?
No.
All right. Let's talk about a little more in the future. Everything seems to be electrified. You've got electric hypercars, electric little sports cars, etc. What about a full electric car, battery electric car moving forward?
Right now we haven't taken a decision to do it or not to do it. I guess it's important that we have to save our characteristics, the DNA of Ferrari, performance and fun to drive. I don't see so many problems on the performance, but the fun to drive is very important. There are some advantages, low center of gravity, but you mentioned the sound. The sound is very important, so we have to understand how to manage this without being only artificial. And the other thing is the weight. So we have to understand what will be the developments in the future regarding batteries, especially, to have less weight on the car.
Right. So talking about weight, then does Ferrari talk about or invent composites which haven't been made yet? Are you looking into very, very high-tech lightweighting of components like the body platform, etc.?
We are not only working on composite materials. We are following an approach in which we say the right material on the right place to have the best weight you can have, and we have to improve also aluminium parts, carbon fiber parts. So we are looking also about titanium, magnesium. So we have to understand all materials, where we can put them on the car.
Right. Now, of course, the F8 has been criticized very slightly, being a bit of an evolution on top of the 488, which was the evolution of the 458 Italia. What part of the Pista or the 488 is similar to this car?
As we mentioned, the car is a turbo to this engine. So we took the engine, and we wanted to take the engine from the Pista and put it in. So mechanical-wise, it's the same engine, but from the calibration point of view, it's totally different. This is a car for road use. The Pista is for track use, and so the feeling and the behavior of this car is totally different. The setup of the suspensions is different. The controls are different. So there are many differences that allows us to differentiate quite a lot the Pista from the F8 Tributo.
Brilliant. Thank you so much. We won't take much of your time. Thank you for talking to us.
Thank you.
We look forward to the hybrid and the other 3 cars coming in the future.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.